Hello everyone. How are you doing everyone? I am at my room right now and I am talking about the RC cars again. Remote control cars again too. Look my Mercedes, look at my Mercedes. Look, do you like the RC cars, the Mercedes? And my dad bought me this one at Amazon too. Yeah, I like my remote control cars a lot too. And this one is the fastest one. Look, that's pretty cool. Look everyone, look, that's pretty cool. I like this a lot too. I just saw the black one, this one yesterday. I liked it a lot too. And the last one, not least, the Cruiser. Look at the yellow truck. Look at the Wallflower one too. I like it a lot too. Look. Look at the Shock one, and I have that blue one up there. I'll show you something. Look, this is my blue one, the Megadon from the Monster Jam trucks. Look at, I just show you, I have the big one right here. That's nice. The Shock one is cool. Look at the Lightning McQueen car. Look at Speed, I am Speed. Vroom. I like this car too. Look, that pretty cool car. And look at the Spider-Man trucks. I like it a lot too. And gotta show something. These are the Spider-Man truck. Look at Spider-Man and the orange one. They're pretty cool. Yeah, I like the remote control cars a lot too, and I like them a lot into with them too. Everyone. And you have a great day. God bless you and be kind and be happy and strong and love you all, everyone. You have a great day. Gosh, see you the Blue Shark again too. I loved it. Say bye, Shark. Megadon. Look, that one Shark too. That's pretty cool. The cars too. I forgot to show you the Hello Kitty one. The pink car. Look at the pink one. I love it too. The pink Hello Kitty. I got it at the Fire Blow. I like it a lot too, everyone. Yeah. Do you like these trucks? The pink car. That's it, everyone, and you have a great day. God bless you, and be happy with your RC cars too, and you have a great day. God bless you.